sa pag-upo ni NBI BARM Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lontok na dating hepe ng NBI Cybercrime Division sa witness stand ay inamin ito na hindi nahanap ng ahensya ang umano'y assassin na kinausap ni BP Sara para gawin ang umano'y pagbabanta nito. Hindi rin po nasagot ni Lotok ang tanong ng ibang Senate judge kung may nakuhang ebidensya at kung may kinausap talagang assassin ng Vice Presidente.
Investigasyon para matukoy ang taong ito.
Nagtanong kami, Your Honor. We tried to elicit information both from those people who have personal knowledge during the online press conference. Unfortunately, wala ako kaming ma-establish na validated information na confirm. So, in fact, hanggang ngayon, nag-aantay po kami. Your Honor, insofar as the Cybercrime Division is concerned, we focuses on the investigation on the alleged grave threats and inciting to sedition. Ngayon, pagdating doon ng whether or not meron na-execute na o may inutusan, I think ang makakasagot po niyan, Your Honor, yung aming director kasi sa kanya po yung pool ng information. At the same time, yung jurisdiction na yan, nasa intelligence service po namin. Kami ho nasa investigation service. So, so far as the NBI Cybercrime Division is concerned, at that time, nakafocus ho kami sa grave threat and inciting to sedition.
Sa harap nito, nanindigan po si Lotok na may mga sapat silang ebidensya sa pagsasampa ng kasong 3 counts ng grave threat at inciting to sedition laban kay BP Sara. Base daw yan sa inilabas na sertifikasyon ng DOJ Prosecution Service na pasok sa preliminary investigation ang kaso. Hindi rin daw mahalaga kung ang banta ay may kondisyon o wala.
Very much possible, Your Honor. As I have said, grave threats can be committed with or without condition. And as a matter of fact, meron akong naalalang isang case, SPO2 Jamaica versus Attorney Bangot. Ang sabi ho doon ni SPO2 Jamaica, if I lose my job, I will break your head or I will... So it's for us, it's a kind of event-based condition na matitrigger yung execution ng threat pag nangyayari yung event. But then when the Supreme Court nag-decide the Supreme Court at sabi niya, the threat was absolute. So it's
Sorry, sinabi ng SC
absolute yung threat, you know,
Okay.
hindi conditional.